If you'd like to see how I created this DIY rhinestone embellished tumbler as a very simple birthday gift, keep watching this video. So today I'm going to be working on this cup. This is I believe a 22-ounce tumbler cup, and this is the kind that has a dome lid. And I will have a link to where this cup can be purchased. I have some cups available on my website, and then I also link a Amazon link to where you can purchase it on there as well if that's a better option for you. I'm going to be using some 5mm purple rhinestones. This cup is going to be for a 12-year-old's birthday gift. She's turning 12 years old, and I thought this would be a very great gift. And I was told her favorite color is purple. I'm going to be using this liquid fusion glue. For some reason, it did turn yellow. I'm not sure if the camera shows that, but it's very yellow, so hopefully it still works just as fine. I'm not sure what that's about. Then I also have some various size glass rhinestones I'm going to fill in with as well. And I'm just going to start off by sandpapering it first. Then I'll rinse it and clean it off. And I'll use this purple Sharpie to go ahead and color it so that the rhinestones look even fuller and better. This sandpaper came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and just give it a nice little sand. And it will be a little scratchy, but that's fine. That's how it's supposed to look. See, you're going to look like you're messing it up, but that's what you want because you want it to be nice and scruffy so that your glue and your rhinestones adhere better. This is how it will look after you sand the entire lid. Wash it off. Now I'm just going to dry it off really good. Once it's dried off very well, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so it's nice and dry, and I'm just going to start, well actually I'll start like here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just want to have some color on the background. Just like this. This step is completely optional if you don't have any Sharpies. And if you don't have Sharpies and you still want to color it in, you can use some paint. You can go ahead and paint it with maybe some craft paint, and that will work fine as well. Now I've started to add on the rhinestones, and I know in the beginning I said that my liquid fusion turned yellow. I actually didn't use that because I found my bigger bottle that I had that I was looking for, so I didn't use it. I'll test that yellow liquid fusion out later and see if it still works just fine and it just maybe discolored for whatever reason. But anyway, I'm just adding on the 5mm rhinestones, but I do also have some smaller glass rhinestones I'm going to use in between in some areas as well. So I'm pretty much using a scatter method. I may try to do like a little brick layer at first, but then it does turn into a scatter method more towards the top. Now if you have a more uniform way that you do it, you definitely want to do whatever makes you feel comfortable. I don't lay anything 100% perfect. I'm not one of those, I guess, professional pro bling artists like that do cars and all that type of stuff, or do the full tumbler cups. When I have done a full tumbler cup, it was a scatter method. But yeah, I just kind of make it line up as best as possible, using all one size, and if not, I don't mind bringing in other size rhinestones. I like the different variations. I guess it just depends on what look you're going for. But this definitely doesn't take that long, especially if you're just doing the lid. Now if you want to add a name or do designs and do the entire cup, then kudos to you, because I don't like to do long-winded projects like that. And I just thought this would be cute just to have just the lid sparkled. I really like these little dome lid cups. And I'm going to decide later on in the video that I'm going to add an initial. I was really in a hurry. Her name is Morgan. I was going to add her whole name, but I just thought a cute M would be very pretty as well. I didn't have any purple, so I decided to go with like a gray. So you'll see that in a moment. Okay, so here's the M that I was showing you guys. I think the name of this font is called Amanda. And if you want to know where to get fonts, go to thefont.com. DAFONT.com. You can get them free. Just download them to your computer. So I used my Silhouette Cameo and cut this M out. I think it's really cute. I just couldn't figure out what other color to use. I could have did white, but I couldn't find white, and I was kind of pressed for time. But I think this came out like super cute, especially to be like last minute. So I like this. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this tumbler cup. And this is like a little close up. So it looks like some of the stones are blue, but they're actually like a purpley bluish color, the glass stones. And then I use purple resin rhinestones. Now I know some people want to know like what the difference is. Resin rhinestones are like I guess a step under, you could say, under the glass stones. Glass stones do cost more, and they are like high definition. Resin rhinestones are also pretty and sparkly as well, but the glass stones are a lot more sparkly. Some people only use glass stones, some people only use resin. I like to use both, but I mainly do use the resin rhinestones. And this M is like so cute. I really like that little cursive M, and I gave it to Morgan, and she absolutely loved it. So just think, you guys, you could do like 2 different colors, scatter method, 3 different colors. You can throw some pearls on there with it. If I had more time, I would have probably added some rhinestones to that letter M. Completely up to you what colors you use. It's like completely endless. You could do purple, you could do red, black, blue, and also, like I said, multicolor, or you could do all pearls. It's like so much that you can do with this. I think it came out super adorable, and this was a really cute little age appropriate gift for a 12-year-old. This is nice for a grown woman. You could give this for a 2-year-old. I mean, it's up to you. I just thought this was really cute. It was quick. I used liquid fusion glue, just in case you fast forward it. I did use liquid fusion glue. There will be a link, an Amazon link, because you can purchase it on Amazon. That's the only place I've been able to find it. But thanks, you guys, for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. And thank you, guys. I have recently reached 18,000 subscribers, so thank you. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram at lifeisawholevibe with underscores in between each word. And be sure to check out my playlist if you'd like to see more videos of cups or coffee mugs that I've added embellishments to. And thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.